eating breakfast, and then we have a fun adventure planned.
It's a big secret. I don't know if you guys will be able to figure out what it is. I'm just kidding. It's probably in the description of this video. As you can probably tell, we're gonna ride some four-wheelers. Let's do it. G-Force Adventures, let's get it.
Ready.
Halfway point. Really fun so far. Allison had the GoPro out a little bit ago, and she put her arm out in a tight spot and got her arm kind of trapped in some tree branches. Yeah, luckily it was tree branches and not a cactus, because there's lots of those. What animal did you see?
A roadrunner.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we got it on camera or not, but I promise we got it, but we did not see any coyotes.
One of my goals of this trip is to see a roadrunner. So.
Yeah, so we saw one.
Done.
We're about to head to the next spot to go down and go on the beach. We'll let Allison drive if she's up for it. Let's see if she can keep us safe. We are very dusty and dirty. Super, super fun. Uh-oh, new driver. Let's see what happens. Hard no on the horses. We'll explain later.
I told you to hold on.
I'm trying to get a video. Sorry.
Welcome to my office, my man. Welcome to Cabo.
Here we go. So we made it to the second stop down on the beach. Four-wheeling on the beach doesn't get much better than that. Allison almost threw me off a little bit ago. Granted, it was my own fault though. I was trying to lean to the side to get a cool shot. You're welcome, but we made it. Okay, so backstory on the whole horse thing. When we were in Canada in Banff about 5 years ago, we did a bunch of exciting adrenaline things, you know, Baum Adventures. We like this kind of stuff. Four-wheeling, all this stuff. We did skydiving, we did whitewater rafting, extreme hikes, but one thing was too much for me in Canada, and it was horseback riding. And honestly, it was like, she's laughing at me, it was like a trail walk. It was nothing. I've ridden horses some as a kid, not a ton, but it's just not my thing. As I've gotten older, they're just so powerful, they make me nervous. And I was nervous going into that, but she likes horses, so we're like, all right, we'll do the crazy stuff, then we'll do the horse walk. Long story short, on the horse walk, our leader got bucked off their horse and was too hurt to finish. We left the leader on the trail, and supposedly somebody was gonna come get them. I told Allison right after that, never again, no horses. I know it's ridiculous. I will jump off a plane, I will bungee jump, I will do anything, but I'm not getting on a horse. Call me crazy, that's what I am. My son Asher. Go to dance move.
Just got done with our ATVing and we're back. We had so much fun, got to go super fast, so it was awesome.
Yeah, G-Force Adventures in Cabo here, can't recommend them highly enough. This was the perfect combination. It felt very professional and safe, but at the same time, they let us go have fun and go pretty fast. And so perfect combination there. And they even picked us up from the hotel, all included in the price. Picked us up, brought us here. They're going to take us back. They have a tequila tasting. We're not going to take part in that part, but that's part of what you enjoy. That's included for the price as well. The price is $110 for a solo rider or $140 for a combo like us. You also have to pay $15 per person for the like national park fee basically. But no, if you want to take video or GoPro like we did, you got to do a combo person, because whoever's driving is not allowed to have any video stuff, and they're very strict on that as well. But this place was awesome, and we're probably gonna go chill at the hotel in a little bit, take it easy this afternoon, and then we'll see what later today holds.
We just got done relaxing some, and just got my nails done, courtesy of my sister. She called and got me a manicure for my birthday. So thanks, sis. And we are on our way to get our COVID tests done. So wish us luck on that.
We've actually never been COVID tested, either of us. Fairly confident we had it last year. We just assumed we had it and semi-followed protocol. I've shoved these sticks up a bajillion people's noses at work and done lots of testing, but we've never had one done, so we'll see how that goes.
See how bad it is.
We need one to get back to America.
Yeah.
Sharon, you guys are busy.
It's payback for all those people. I've done it too.
So a couple things. We asked if we could film when I got mine done, and she definitely took it way more seriously because she knew she was being filmed, which makes sense. If I was doing that and somebody was taking a picture, I would make sure to do a really good swab just so there wouldn't be proof of me doing a, half, effort job sticking it up in there. So she did both sides, which is normal, and went way up there for a long time. Didn't hurt, just kind of tickled pretty bad. But then for Allison, we didn't film, and she stuck it in there for like just a split second and only did one side. So it was definitely a little bit of show for the camera. But thankfully we did test negative, so we're coming back to America here in a few days for our kids.
Don't worry, Grammy, it's negative.
Don't worry, Grammy, we're coming. They did make us nervous though, because they said come back in 10 minutes, and we came back 10 minutes later, and they're like, oh, and they were acting all weird, and they said come back in 10 minutes. We're like, oh no, they're probably having to figure out what to do to quarantine us because we're positive. But no, we were good. All right, moving on. We're gonna go find something fun to do.
We're hanging out at the beach. Ryan's messing with our little drone. I'll show him. Do not fly that into
For dinner, and then we'll go see what tonight holds.
All right, we're ready. Let's go get some food. We're at the Italian place tonight. We got some bread and a great view. We walked up and they said that we were the first people here, but it's only 6:30, so I guess we're the old people here. I don't know. I don't feel like it's that early, but whatever. We're gonna eat, so we're hungry. Dinner's really good. We got Caesar salads, those were delish, and then we have shrimp scampi, chicken carbonara, and a mushroom risotto. This one I think is my favorite, so they're all really good.
But instead of talking about our hopes and dreams, we're doing some of that too on this vacation. But we're sitting and talking about random nonsense because we're goofy. Favorite office quotes. Given, that's what she said, but that's just the quote. My favorites, probably two, is going to be, I'm not superstitious, I'm just a little stitious. I use that one a lot. The other is Michael starts laughing at somebody with an inside joke. He says, love inside jokes. Love to be a part of one someday. just a great one. So here's Allison's. I gotta help her a little bit though.
Okay.
What do you say?
Remember the one, I always butcher it. It's the one where Michael says, now the turntables.
Instead of how the tables have turned.
Yeah, now
how the turntables. And then a really awkward silence. And then here's Allison's other one.
Oh.
After he made a sale. Jan, Michael, I underestimated you.
Well, next time, estimate me.
Oh, good times. If you don't like The Office,
I know, I was gonna say,
sorry.
you only have to know The Office.
Yeah. Sorry we're boring you.
All right, dinner was pretty good. Probably not the favorite we've had all week, but really good still. We're pretty easy to please, not too picky. We're actually gonna call it a pretty early night tonight, catch the sunset, and then try to get to bed. We have a tentative idea slash plan for something we're gonna try to get creative and do really early tomorrow morning. You'll have to stay tuned for that. It may or may not happen, but we'll see.
Until then, we'll catch you on the flippity flip.